about to do?
Tell them.
We're about to take Bobby to school. Happy Tuesday! It's raining and it's dreary, but we are going to have a good day, right?
Right.
Okay, we got our coats on.
Yes.
Got our backpacks on.
Yes.
We got our hoods up.
Yes.
You feeling good?
Yes.
You're looking good?
Yes.
Are you smelling good?
Yes.
Let me smell you. You smell okay. All right. Say bye to the YouTube friends.
Bye.
Say see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator.
All right, I'm doing smoochie. Oh, and we got the one and only Mr. Caffeine. Yeah.
Hey.
Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome boy. You're so handsome. You're gonna go down for your nap. I'm gonna put Mr. Quincy down for his nap. He's nice and tired now, huh? Yeah. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. So we're just starting our morning routine. That's what we're doing. Bobby just went to school. We're gonna do what it do, baby. Guys, what you crying for, huh? What you crying for, Mr. Booga Badooga? Huh? Mr. Booga Badooga? Oh, this is happening right now. Oh yeah, Mr. Quincy doesn't want to be put down. So we're wearing him. This happens way too often, way more often than I would hope. So, to solve everybody's problems, we're just gonna put this little baby on and wear him. I got to clean up this kitchen because it is a hot mess. I need to clean up out here because it is a hot mess. But that's what we're doing, guys. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing, right? I love you. I love you, Mr. Caffeine. I love you, Mr. Caffeine. I love you, Mr. Caffeine. I love you, Poppy. Oh, yeah, you know what else I'm drinking? Because I am definitely 100% a caffeine addict. How the hell do you bend down in one of these things? What is it? Okay. Yeah. Workout life. This right here. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta have my afternoon cup of coffee. So I just crack this open. Crack this open. Yeah, so I drink probably way too much coffee than I should, but you know, mama too. Let me know down below if you drink coffee. If not, what do you do for energy? I would love to know because I just am not like naturally energized. I wish that I was. I'm just not. I need to get motivated. I need to get get up, get going, work out, get motivated. But number one, I'm not a morning person, and number two, I'm definitely not a morning person if I don't have a cup of coffee. So, okay, guys, let's go get this house clean. Let's go get this house clean. Let's go get this house clean, huh? You say hello to them? You say hello to our good friends? Yeah, baby. Can you say dada? Yeah, can you say dada? 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 He's been saying da 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 da, which I know it's not him actually saying dada, you know, but Bobby said dada first. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Are you gonna say it? Are you gonna say it? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, he's been talking up a storm like little jibber jabbers. It's so cute. Okay, guys, let's go. What are you doing? Hey. Okay, so we are waiting for Bobby to get home from school. His cousin's mom is going to bring him home since it's raining. We don't want to take Mr. Quincy out in the rain. I've been cleaning up this kitchen, watching some videos, you know, doing what I do. That's about it, guys. Mr. Quincy, what are you doing, bud? Eating everything in sight? Are you eating everything in sight? Yes. No, don't eat that. That's my makeup brush. Can't eat that. That's mine. He literally eats everything and anything. I got a scary dude. You're scary. He punched me. You better stop punching me in my stomach. Continue. Da-da, da-da, la-da-da-da, la-da-da-da. Let's see your smooth criminal dance. Saw the cutest picture of Pewdiepie on Instagram, and he just took a picture doing like the same thing as him, so I'll insert that picture now. You know, I let him watch Pewdiepie with the sound turned down, and I know if you guys know Pewdiepie, he's like a gamer type person, and he enjoys watching him play the video games. So we watch it with the sound turned down because he does say bad words, but he really enjoys it. So I know it's probably like controversial letting my kid watch Pewdiepie, but he enjoys watching it, so I let him. You know, don't judge. But yeah, so we're checking on dinner. He looks so cute. Isn't that picture just adorable? Even if it's not Pewdiepie, it's like such an adorable picture. I have my roast in the oven. I don't know how it's going to turn out. It looks a little dry, so we'll see. Waiting for Dad to get home. Mr. Quincy just woke up. Okay, guys, so we're about to eat dinner. This is the roast and the potatoes, and this is squash and onion mixed together and sauteed. So we'll see how it tastes. We'll ask Mr. Smasher what he thinks. Oh, can you get Bobby a fork? I love you, Mr. Face. I love you, Mr. Face.
Smashing this potato up.
What did you mean? I thought you were...
Big pile.
Just clap them. Whoa! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Let me see your face.
What's going on, everybody? So I've been asked to do my highlight of the day, and I would probably have to say that my highlight of the day was getting some good news from a special place. I'll keep that to myself for now. Don't want to let the cat out the bag, but yeah, so that was my highlight of the day.
Do you have anything special to tell about your day? Any funny story you want to share with us?
No funny stories, no dangerous stories. So catch y'all next time. Peace.
Hi. What are you saying to me?
You're not saying anything.
Hi. So, I'm having a good day. Okay.
So, we just gave Bobby his nightly bath, right?
Right?
And we are about to he's about to watch a show for 30 minutes and then he's going to bed. We are playing in the bathroom, so my makeup is all a mess. But what's the highlight of your day, bud?
My highlight was eating hot chocolate.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
That was a good highlight.
What was your highlight?
My highlight?
Uh-huh.
That was probably my highlight too. Nothing too exciting happened today.
Okay.
Same old, same old.
Same old, same old.
So we love you all. Thank you all so much for watching. We will see you
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Bye.
I love you. Tomorrow. You're only a day away. Smash that button, baby.
With my hand?